Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. In today's video, we will take a look at this big breakout from this big down channel, and we will also watch this breakout from this falling wedge, and right now the price line has formed another descending triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this 4-hourly time frame chart. And here we have already seen that the price line broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Here we broke it out, and after that it has formed another descending triangle, and this triangle is the reason that is topping the price line and not letting it to move up from here. But you can see that we are at the very end of this triangle. The movement is getting very squeezed, so it is very much possible that very soon we are going to break out the resistance of this triangle. Within next few hours we can expect this breakout. Now you can also see that here where we have the support of the triangle, there we also have a very strong support of 1.75 cents, and you can see that the price line even after testing this support several times, it is not breaking down this support. And our next resistance will be here at 2 cents, and after that we will have the next resistance here at 2.45 cents, and this will be another very strong resistance at 3 cents. Most appropriate we have here at 3.2, and then we will have the next resistance here at 4 cents. Now if we take a look at the target for this triangle, for example, if the price line is going to break out the resistance of the triangle, then we can expect that after this breakout the price line can also break this 2.45 cents resistance as well, and it can reach to the next resistance of 3.2 after breaking out this resistance. However, this 2.45 cents can be also another strong resistance, because here it worked as a resistance, here as a support, here as a support, and here as a resistance as well. Now if we switch to the daily time frame chart, we have broken out a very big channel, and after this breakout we are getting accumulated above this resistance of the channel. The target of this channel is very high. If we watch the top of the channel, that is approximately at 35 to 40 cents. However, in order to reach that target, first we need to break out this key resistance that we have at 6 cents. You can see that for the past several days, from 23rd of May 2021 up till here on 27th of November, it has been working as a very strong support. And finally, in the month of November, at the end of November, the price line broke down this support. Once we will be able to break it out, then we can expect that the price line can move more up to reach this target. However, from 1.8 cents and to 6 cents, that will be a very big move. Therefore, first we need to keep an eye on this and on these resistance levels that we have in the near short term. And after breaking out these resistance, especially this 4 cents, we can expect that the price line can break out this key resistance of 6 cents as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.